Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into how you can make money on Facebook. With over 2.9 billion monthly active users, Facebook is not only a place to connect with friends and family, but it's also a platform full of potential for making money. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or someone who just wants to leverage social media, Facebook offers multiple ways to monetize your presence. We'll be covering different strategies, from using Facebook's built-in monetization tools to leveraging your personal brand and even running a business page. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a much better understanding of how to turn your time on Facebook into a profitable endeavor. Section 1: Facebook Ads Monetization for Creators. If you're a content creator, one of the most straightforward ways to earn money on Facebook is through in-stream ads. These are short ads that play during your video content, much like YouTube ads. Facebook has been pushing video content heavily, and as a result, there are plenty of opportunities to monetize videos if they meet certain requirements. How to qualify for Facebook in-stream ads. You must have at least 10,000 followers on your Facebook page. You need to have at least 600,000 minutes of total watch time over the last 60 days. This includes live, uploaded, and on-demand videos. You must publish content that complies with Facebook's monetization policies, including not posting misleading or inappropriate content. Once you meet these requirements, you can turn on in-stream ads for your videos. The ads can appear in different forms, such as pre-roll, mid-roll, and even image ads that pop up during the video. Your earnings depend on factors such as the number of views, video engagement, and where the viewers are located, as ads targeting viewers in different countries may vary in revenue potential. Section 2: Brand Collaborations and Sponsored Content. Another way to make money on Facebook is through brand collaborations and sponsored posts. If you have a strong presence and a loyal following, brands may reach out to you to promote their products or services in exchange for payment. How to land brand deals. Build a personal brand. Brands want to partner with influencers who have a well-established voice or niche. Whether you focus on lifestyle, fashion, tech, or fitness, having a specific focus makes it easier for brands to see if your audience aligns with their target market. Engage with your audience. A large following is great, but high engagement is even better. Brands are looking for influencers whose followers actively comment, like, and share their content. Responding to comments and interacting with your community helps build trust, which can lead to more brand opportunities. Reach out to brands. If brands aren't contacting you directly, take the initiative. Create a media kit that highlights your follower count, engagement rates, and why you would be a good fit for their product. Reach out to brands that you genuinely love and would enjoy promoting. Use Facebook's Brand Collabs Manager. Facebook offers a tool called the Brand Collabs Manager, which helps connect creators with brands looking for influencers. By joining the platform, brands can find your page and collaborate with you on paid promotions. Sponsored posts are a great way to earn money because they often pay well and can be a consistent source of income, especially if you establish long-term partnerships with brands. Section 3: Facebook Marketplace and Selling Products. If you're more interested in selling physical products or even services, Facebook Marketplace is an excellent option. Facebook Marketplace allows users to buy and sell items locally. It's simple to use, free, and it's integrated into the Facebook app, which makes it easy to reach your audience. Here's how to use Facebook Marketplace to make money. Offer local services. If you have a skill or service to offer, such as lawn care, cleaning, tutoring, or freelance work, you can also advertise your services on Facebook Marketplace. Local users can reach out to you, and you can negotiate terms for your work directly through Facebook Messenger. Promote through Facebook groups. In addition to Marketplace, there are countless buy and sell groups where you can promote your products. Find groups in your area or in your niche and share your listings there to increase visibility. Selling on Facebook Marketplace can be a great way to make extra money or even build a full-fledged business without having to invest in a dedicated e-commerce website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online and growing your social media presence. See you in the next video.